Okay, tape rolling. Eh? Five, four, three, action. Is it rolling? Yeah, it's rolling. Howdy, it's your boy, Billy Boy. Yesterday, I told you I had a conspiracy going on. I didn't know exactly what it was. Well, today, it's July 16th, 2018, and it's about 5:47 p.m. in the evening, Pacific Standard Time on the California coast. Excuse me a minute. What? Hey, listen. Excuse me. You ain't got to be scared, alright? Because we're going to figure out what it is. I'm telling you right now, I know what it is. Something. It's something. And you're a chicken. And you ain't got to be chicken. Because you're a chicken. You understand that? You understand me? So get out there and just do brave stuff. Because you're a chicken. Give me a hug. Okay. It's okay. Sorry about that. They got my chickens upset with this stuff. And yesterday I couldn't exactly figure out what it was. But what I've done is I looked on the internet. And anything that's on the internet, if it's internet backed, it's true. So I actually got down to the bottom of it. And I got a bunch of my 13 prize chickens together. And in the internet article, it says if you have any type of alien device trying to get into your garden, what you should do is work out your garden. Work out your garden. So what I've done is I've taken my chickens who are in training with me 7 days a week with weights, running, jumping, all kinds of stuff. And I've actually taught them how to be still and watch for stuff to happen. So tonight, if they come back and they try to put those things in my thing again, there might be trouble. Big trouble. Because my chickens aren't chicken. You understand what I'm saying to you, boy, girl, woman, man, whoever the heck you are? Even if you're an alien trying to stop me from doing my position and my purpose in life, it ain't gonna work. Come check this out. What I've actually done is I've strategically have hidden my chickens. You see, look at this. This wasn't here a minute ago. I turned my head 1 minute. What the heck is that thing? I pick them up and they... What are you doing? I told you about that upside down stuff. You're gonna choke. Goodness me, man. By the end of the day, I'm gonna work my garden out. I put this in here because it's 30 pounds. And if you work out with 30 pounds, you get pretty big quick. Look, I told you to stop blowing that thing so quick. Man, these chickens are supposed to be garden stuff and they're playing. If you have any idea what those things are, they look like this. Look, see, they got this kind of funny shape to them, and it's kind of like weird. So as I said before, I'm believing it's some type of unevolved alien device coming from someplace. I'm not crazy. I know what I'm talking about. I don't do stuff like crazy people don't do stuff like this. Hey, look at this guy. Look at this guy. See? My chickens like blowing stuff because it's exciting to them. They like seeing stuff turn around and around and around. I have one thing to say to you. If you have a purpose, if you have a dream, hold on 1 second. Is that my hat? Get up here. That's my hat. I told you not to be wearing that hat. That's a grasshopper hat. Y'all remember that hat? The grasshopper fiasco? Well, that's what happened. That's the remnants of it right there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Listen, I have one thing I want to say to you because my chickens are not chicken. And I'm not chicken either. So, whether you believe it or not, there are aliens out there. And I know they had something to do with dropping it. There's another one right there! Do you see that? If that's not some type of alien device, then nothing is, alright? So if you got something like this happening to you, wherever you're at, please text me and tell me, Billy, you're not going to believe what happened. Take a picture of it, because we've got to band together against this conspiracy. Now, there's going to be some people that's going to say it's not true, but it don't matter. You know what? Because if your chicken's with you, you ain't got to worry about it. And I just want to let you know, no matter what they do to you or me, they cannot stop us from living our purpose and our dream, no matter how many times they try to come against us. You know why? Because we're called to live our dream. Boy, girl, woman, man, say something. Come on. Calm down. Anyway, before I go, I just want to say I got to go clean this mess up once again. But this time, my chickens, they're staying up all night. And it's going to get cold. But I'm going to be out here with them. I'm going to be up underneath the car. Just wait. Wait. Sorry. I get excited when I talk like that. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Because Billy Boy is serious about living his purpose, no matter what. And if you're serious about living your purpose too, well, do it. Because Billy Boy says you can. And if Billy Boy says you can, it don't matter. You can do it. Boy, girl, woman, man, get on out there and do it today. And you too, alien, because I know you're watching me, boy. Let's go. Let's go clean this mess up.
Dad, dinner's ready. Dad?
I don't believe in aliens. I don't believe in aliens.
Dad?
Huh? What? Did you see what just happened? Did you see what just happened? There's no such thing as aliens. No. And if you didn't just see that, I didn't just see it either. But one thing I want to tell you is this, is that your purpose is your alien. No one has seen it yet, and no one actually believes that your alien is real. But your alien is real, my friend. It's 1,000% real. So you get out there and share your alien with the world. You know why? You know why? Because Billy Boy says you can. And it's what you have to do. Share your chicken with the world. Share your alien with the world. And share you with the world. And before I go, I have one last thing I want to say.